Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening up one of our favorites to open up together, the FabFitFun box for summer 2025. FabFitFun is the first box that I did on my channel and also probably some of my best views. I do some of the spoiler research. This time I did, I think, category 1 through 4. I don't actually remember how many I got, but I think category 1 through 4. And so those videos always get me the most views, so I do like giving FabFitFun some love back. It is a subscription I pay for. It's a subscription I love. I have been a customer way before I started a YouTube channel, so I honestly, the first one I had was the first time they even had customization at all. So they had 2 necklaces and you could choose silver or gold, and that was it. The rest of the box was just, that's how long ago I did FabFitFun, and I've never missed a box, so I am still a very happy customer and I always get my money's worth, so I'm happy to share them, and on top of that, you guys are happy to watch them, so it helps my channel out. I'm not sure why we have this big of a box. I must have got something extra, but I don't know what I got extra. I think I did some of the add-on sale maybe? I don't know. Lots of fluff, that's for sure. It's all coming back to me. If you know me, you actually probably know what my extra thing is in here. Well, let's do the box, and then there's only one extra item, but it's coming back to me. So, FabFitFun Summer 2025. So it's curated in California. Is this pretty visible? I'm actually gonna move you, so sorry, give me one sec, because I like to set the products down like all around here, and then you can see them all. Here's the inside, so cute. Our 50th box. I am very curious. I'm going to try to put it on screen how many boxes I've gotten. I've never skipped a box, and I know which box was my first box. So I'm going to Google and try to figure out what box that was, and then you should see the number out of 50 that I have here. It's a lot. I'm on a time crunch, so I actually only have 10 minutes to film this video, so let's see if I can get it done. That means it will be a little bit quicker, but I did a lot of the research already, so if you want to know more about these products, the first 4 at least, I gave very detailed information about them in some videos earlier on my channel, so hopefully you saw those. And I'm just going to tell you now why I picked them. I think this was category 1 by Show Me Your Mumu, and it is this gorgeous tote bag. So this is 85% paper, 15% polyester. That's what it is. The fabric here, Show Me Your Mumu. You also got a credit to get more. It has this really pretty stripe look inside, a pocket, non-zipper pocket inside, but, and this is a must for me, always, 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 because I like to take these traveling, and when you travel there are pickpockets everywhere, so you can't ever be too secure, and so I like to have something that is a crossbody or across my shoulder and zips the entire way, and I like to keep the zipper to the front when I'm traveling, just in case. Every country will give you the same warnings. I love it. And then in addition to that, via email, I just got a credit for, I believe it was through this one, I just got a credit so that I can purchase something else. So that made that a $68 value. Category 1 did not wow me. I have said this for like a few FabFitFun boxes now, and like I said at the beginning of this video, I am a huge fan of FabFitFun, so this is not a complaint. It is kind of a complaint, I guess, but I'm not trying to tear down the company at all. They used to always have a like show-stopping item in category 1 that I was like, oh my god, I have to have it, it's so cool. And I just haven't felt that in a really long time. I've always kind of just been like, oh, I don't know, which one should I pick? And so I don't know that they're doing that anymore, that it's like tiered. I think the categories are getting more and more similar. Next is actually category 2, and this one I'm actually really excited for. It's from Roundhouse. Sicily's Striped set of 4 dip bowls. I did talk in my video about what new bone china is, and so this is new bone china, making it vegan, because bone china is not, and actually made with animal bones. This just gives you that look. Really pretty. I thought it was because, and I don't know, maybe other people thought this as well, because it looked like bones, like the color of bones. Like it's not fully white, and that's why I thought it was called bone china. Turns out it looks like bones because it's made of bones, but you know, I never had bone china, so I don't feel any guilt about that. And also I think it is kind of nice if you're not vegan when they use all the parts of an animal, if you're gonna hunt an animal anyways, that you're gonna eat, that you use, you know, leather and other parts too, because then you're really, I think, then respecting it. Should I have left that out? I don't know. We'll leave it in the box. That's okay. I don't want anything to break, and like I said, I'm in a rush. And these dip bowls are $50 retail value. For category 3, I have from Thrive Cosmetics the Liquid Balm Lip Treatment. This is a lip filler technology in vanilla swirl. I'm not gonna put on my lips because I already have something on it, but smells really good. I love lip treatments that actually hydrate your lips and aren't just causing damage. They have like cinnamon or cayenne pepper, or they do like mild irritation, and that's how you're plumping your lips, because getting blood flow to your lips from that mild irritation. And so that will plump anyone's lips a little bit temporarily, but this plumps your lips a little more long term because it's moisturizing and it's making the moisture penetrate your lips so that you actually are plumping it from within by moisturizing dry lips, because our lips are dry because we put other stuff on them. So that's the trick to these. It does have kind of the, I guess, like, I don't know, positives versus negatives. It's kind of a negative that if you didn't already have full lips, like if you just come from a thin lip family, that's not going to help too much, because no matter how moisturized your lips are, they're just going to, like, it's going to be the best version of your lips that you could get genetically when you moisturize plump. So you're not going to just get these like show-stopping lips if that's just, we all get handed different cards. We all get different perks in the genetic pool. And that one is a $26 value. Again, category 4 now. I also have Thrive Cosmetics. I don't know if you can tell that I like Thrive Cosmetics, but this is their Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner Semi-Permanent. It's like it's called Lauren, which this says black matte on it. Oh, it's nice. Really nice. Really silky application too. I love a good eyeliner. I do want it to last all day. And then next up, actually I don't know the price for that. That was $24. Next up I have a ring from Marilyn Schiff. So this was my category 5. You did not see me review the products in category 5. I review them. I just did not have time to film a video. But I ended up choosing the ring. And I do like it a lot. I got it in gold. I cycle between, do I want silver, do I want gold, and I've been into gold lately. So let's see if I can get a little bit closer. This is really cute, really sparkly. It fits me perfect already on this middle finger, so I might not even adjust it, but it is adjustable. It has that like open back, so you can adjust it. This says remove before swimming, bathing, or showering. Avoid direct contact with perfume, body lotions, hairsprays, and that's all it says. I like it. I think it was a good choice. And retail value is $42. I don't know that I consider it $42, but luckily I don't pay that because I get it in a box. And then last but not least, I have actually had interest in these Array Not Today Gray because I have a friend who said that it was helping with her gray hair. I'm starting to get gray hair. You might see 1 or 2 in there now. I don't know. But I feel like I'm the right age range because it's like just barely starting, that maybe I can delay a little bit. I don't know. I have really, really black hair, so it's going to be really obvious when I go gray too, because they're going to contrast even more. But yeah, I'm excited to try these just because I heard good things. I did look into the brand. I did look into the ingredients. Mostly, you know, there is a proprietary brand, blend in here of this para-aminobenzoic acid, which is the black sesame seed extract, and some roots that are supposed to help with anti-graying. And I will use this entire bottle, and I'm going to follow the instructions exactly, and maybe I'll do a review video because I've heard good things. Very excited for that product as well. That's my entire box. Now, if you know me and you looked at the shop, the add-on shop, you might know what would be in this box right now. I only ordered one, and it is a little marshmallow blanket because it's a bigger size. And so it's slightly bigger than the one that I already have. This one is 60 by 80. So I had to have it. And that's what I got. That's it. I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item in my box was, or what your favorite item in your box was if you got this box, because sometimes I like to get FOMO too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!